Okay, so when you're first starting a business or when you're first starting in marketing, one of the best things you can do is you can get press for yourself. If you get press for yourself, you get noticed, it's not very expensive, you can get referring site traffic, you can build links, it's just a good thing to do, and it helps every single business to get press. But what a lot of people don't know is how to get press, and so in this video, I'm going to tell you one really simple way where you can get press on demand for your website. So if you follow this simple process, you're going to be able to get press quickly. Let's dive into it. Okay, so a lot of people don't know this about me, but I've been doing marketing for a long time. I was at a news publication where I was director of online communications. After that, I went to a place where I was a marketing manager. Being head of PR was part of my role. And then I went to being head of director of SEO and social media and kind of running digital marketing at an agency. But PR is something that I've done for a really long time. And anybody who's on the news side knows a lot about PR because you're getting pitched all day long. So today I want to share with you one simple strategy so that you can get more PR mentions and so that you can get more spikes in traffic. Okay, so what is this one thing that I'm talking about? Well, you might have heard of it before or maybe not. It's called Haro, or Help a Reporter Out. Basically what this is a service that sends out 3 different emails a day, and it has journalists who are actually looking to cover specific stories, and they're looking for experts. So this goes out a couple times a day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, and then what happens is you can comb through these and find the ones that are best for your business. But the trick is to figure out how do you specifically respond to these Haro requests so that people actually want to cite you as the source. First thing, you need to respond fast. The faster that you respond, the better chance that you're going to get picked up. These journalists jump in, they don't want to go through hundreds and hundreds of responses. They want to look at the ones that are at the top. So if you're in the top 10, top 20, there's a much better chance that you're going to get quoted in an article. Number 2, the title is so important. So when you respond, the title and then the first line of your response is absolutely critical. I used to like to say, I have the perfect quote for you from a top industry expert. Why? Because that's exactly what somebody is looking for. So when you respond, if you tell them that specifically or something like that, there's a better chance that people are going to pick it up. Next thing, don't write back and say, I can get you a quote. Actually get the quote and then put it in the response so that the person has it right there and they can just pull it out and use it. So if there's a query that goes out through Haro, get the quote, write the response, have the response come back in that actual submission. Don't try to say, hey, I can set up an interview for you. Nobody has the time for that right now. Give them the exact quote that you want them to feature. The reporter's really going to appreciate that. Number 3, put a bio for the person inside of the response. So a short bio that shows how this person is an actual expert in the field is going to go a long way because the reporter is going to see it. They're going to see the bio. They're going to know who they're attributing this to, and they're going to see, okay, this person's an expert, so I do want to quote them. Okay, item number 4, it's a numbers game. So don't just do one and then get discouraged because somebody didn't pick it up. You need to be doing a lot of these. If you're doing 3 to 5 a day, then within a month, you're going to get probably 2 to 6 PR hits if you're doing a good job. It's going to be great for your business. So make sure that you're responding to plenty of these so that it gets picked up. Item number 5, when it gets picked up and a journalist actually covers you, make sure to thank them. Make sure to develop that relationship because that person's going to be writing on things in the future. And now that they know that you're an expert or that you're connected to an expert, they might actually reach out to you outside of Haro, and that allows you to build kind of a relationship and more PR on demand in the future. Okay, so my last item is save all these journalist contacts in a database. It's going to be really powerful for you to have this so that next time you want to promote something, you can reach out to all these people who have covered you or covered your client before. If you have that, it's going to allow you just to reach out to these contacts, offer them quotes, offer them guest posts, and things like that, and just ask for a favor for something to be promoted. All right, that's it for my one simple way to get press today. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this one, I'd love to hear about it. See you next time.